Alright, so here we are at Lake Camanche doing some camping. We got here at about 10 in the morning and it's pretty hot today. It's supposed to be about 100, but yeah, here's our camping spot. Here's our tent. There's Valerie. Our tent, it's pretty spacious. It was only 40 bucks at
for 4 people.
yeah, 40 bucks at Target. Fits 4 people. Fits some Valerie. Mama Dukes. Baby Audrey.
Audrey, say hi, Mama. Say hi.
Hey. Mama. Hi. Her first. Missed.
Oh, let me pop it on my stuff. Let me put one on.
Get it. Go get it. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it's only like a 2-minute walk to the water.
So, yeah,
There's some camping spots that are like within 50 yards. Pretty cool. We're gonna check it out right now. Here's the lake. Here's a part of the lake. We're on North Shore. There's a camping ground way down there and they're like on the beach. There's the bag, the camping ground. People swimming down there.
Whoa.
So yeah, we're gonna walk over here and check out the water. You ready, Valerie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Mama. Hi, Audrey.
Water. Mama, can you get this?
In the lake, taking some steps into the water.
Audrey, swim.
You're gonna be wet.
Pretty fun place. This lake is humongous. This is only just a part of it. I was told if I'm fishing to hit coves like this right here. So right now I'm just using night crawlers and some bass lures. Using a bobber setup like this right here. Throw a night crawler. Gonna throw another one on there. What time is it right now?
Oh.
It's like 8 o'clock maybe, and it's probably like 80 degrees still. It's pretty warm out here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to catch something. Hopefully, I can make a video of that. It's so nice out here, so calm. Found a spot where there's nobody.
There's like nobody else over there.
It's 9:15. Starting barbecue. We haven't eaten all
Dad,
day.
can I squirt it?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's
go
too
ahead. A little bit.
So I'm gonna squirt it.
Watch out! Don't get it on the food that's on there.
How do I not do it?
Just aim for the other side.
okay.
Shazam! You got the crackers ready?
Yeah.
You got the chocolate?
No.
I have it over here.
Found it?
Get a piece of chocolate.
Here, let me put this. Can you slide on?
Oh,
Got it?
that mosquito.
Go touch it with your finger. Where's the top cracker? There you go. And squeeze it. And then pull the stick up.
Well, the stick was like really hard on there.
Ew.
You can eat it.
It's like slimy.
Come sit down if you want. What do you think?
Good.
You're really tired, huh?
I'm not that tired.
Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Where's my phone?
You want to taste it?
You have fun, Valerie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody's packing up right now. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all bugs.
Yeah. Right now we're just gonna grill up some breakfast burritos. It's like 7:30 in the morning. There's the monster tearing up a graham cracker. There's the tent. I actually slept pretty comfortable. Yeah. I've only fished for a total of maybe an hour. I didn't really catch much. Actually, I didn't catch anything.
Can you pass me the water gun?
I'll get it. Oh! Oh, okay, no, don't get people wet. Audrey, huh?
Video?
Yeah. Audrey! Audrey! Wow! Oh my god!
Don't get her mouth.
She has her mouth open.
So I want to go fishing. As you can tell, this is not the right place.
A lot of swimming.